Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials, bringing you another original design. This is the knitted wreath knot. I'm doing it with a knitted tie. You don't have to do it with a knitted tie, I'm just doing it. The name comes from the way it looks, not from necessarily the material, but the material will help. So this is my left side, it's at so the tip of the blade as usual is at the belt line. I'm just gonna come over here and put in a dimple or a fold, whichever one you want to do. I'm just folding it in half like that. We're gonna come up and over here like this, and I'm gonna leave this top part folded out like that. So then I'm just going to do my wreath, and then I'm just gonna put it through here. I'm just gonna kind of pull it through. You can do however you want, but I'm just gonna pull it through, and then everything with the is gonna surround this right here. We're just gonna go around this. We're gonna do some wreath twists, come up and over. I'm gonna, right down here, there's a loop. I'm gonna bring this around like this. I'm gonna do this. Then we're gonna come back over and around like this. Then that's all I have for materials. So I'm just gonna end it there. Let me put my collar down. And again, if you want to see the picture, go to Instagram, Simmonsessentials on my Instagram. Go to Simmonsessentials on Instagram and you'll see the picture of this. So you can see how it's knitted together. There you go. So again, on your own style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video.